I could swear even the stars are blinded by your very light. The way you move is like a mystery that I would die to find. I don't know how you slow time down. You are an endless on a day. When life gets hard and falls apart, you're not afraid to feel the rain. Swear it for the rest of my days. I will keep your love in my veins. 'Cause I'm not going anywhere. I'm still here by your side. No, I'm not going anywhere at all.
You're beautiful.
You look cute.
Don't you think it's lost on me? You know you could have walked away.
I love you.
I didn't think I
You
was
say I won't let go. We had our own
Is that how I was?
made a home the hardest way. I will keep your love in my veins. 'Cause I'm not going anywhere. I'm still here by your side. No, I'm not going anywhere. No, I'm not going anywhere.
Everyone, please rise.
At all.
I would love to welcome you to this joyous celebration and thank you for making the journey to beautiful Charlottesville, Virginia. Some of you may be asking why I'm doing the officiating for this wedding. And I gotta be honest, I asked myself the same thing.
I vow to respect, admire, and appreciate you
For who you are
for who you are
and who you want to become,
and who you want to become.
I promise to always make you laugh
and to laugh together,
and to laugh together.
I commit to support you
and to always be by your side
and to always be by your side
through all the ups and downs,
through all the ups and downs.
I will always cherish you,
honor you,
honor you,
and love you for as long as we both shall live.
and love you for as long as we both shall live.
By the power vested in me by the Commonwealth of Virginia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Colin, you may kiss your bride.
So to Jess, thank you. You make my best friend truly happy. And if I have to share him with anyone, I'm happy to share him with you. Colin, thank you for being my best friend and allowing me to be a part of such a beautiful wedding. Now I'd like to invite everyone to raise a glass. Tonight is about the two of you. Take it in and enjoy it. Let's have a great night, party hard, break a leg out there on the dance floor. Colin, I don't mean literally. Love you guys. Cheers.
I forgot.